He got me going, y'all. The doctor. Shit. I'm back in the game. For real. I know I would have never figured this shit out.
That wasn't no regular.
Yeah.
I wasn't no stop and shop.
Shit. For real. Man, shit. And I had just finished this shit, man. I cut the back. Came up here. Did the front. And this motherfucker shut down on me. I ain't bullshitting. That motherfucker cut good though. No bullshit. Hell yeah. This is not a game, man. This is not a game. Yo. I gotta take all this shit to the recycler with that refrigerator. I'm gonna put his information on my page, y'all. So if you need somebody, he knows this shit for real. Got this motherfucker ready to roll. I ain't bullshitting. I can fix certain shit. But troubleshooting that wiring, I'm at a loss. I'll be real with you, but I can change parts and shit. That's something I need to learn. I need to learn how to fuck with that wiring. Look at my boy Marty. Marty over there. Marty over there doing the yard. I see you, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I gotta weld that on. This right here, the muffler. Yeah. No, I got a weld. I got a welder in the house. Yeah.
I'm a welder.
Huh?
I'm a welder. I can weld it on there.
No shit?
You got a shield?
Huh?
You got a shield?
A seal?
A shield.
Oh,
You need a shield.
No, I don't got a shield. Yeah, I just bought a welder.
What kind is it?
One of them Yes welders.
One of the small ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, them, you got a stick. That's a badass welder.
Yeah.
I'm over what for a little For a little machine, it'll weld. Like,
Yeah.
It'll weld like hell, man.
That's why I got one. I seen it on
Man,
YouTube, man. I was like, shit, let me rush that motherfucker.
Man, man, I burnt one up. Everybody told me it didn't burn it up. You can't burn it up or nothing. I burnt that so much up.
No shit?
Yeah. I ran it to the limit. I pushed it hard though.